her voice. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and yes, in this video I will be reacting to the song which has dropped a couple of days back. It's a Telugu song. Obviously it has released in different languages. This is from Junior NTR's film Devara, and this song is called Chutta Male. I hope that's how it's pronounced, guys. So the song has Junior NTR as well as Janhvi Kapoor, and it's, the song is sung by Shilpa Rao. I love her voice. She has this beautiful deep voice which is very, very sensual and sexy and sultry. I love her vocal range as well, and music of course given by Anirudh. So let's not delay this any further. Let's listen to the song right away. Oh, I thought this was a lyric video. I didn't know it was a full video. But then no, it's a lyric video only. But there are no subtitles, guys. I'll listen to the Hindi version then on my own. I love the guitar already. Chutta Male. Oh, nice. This will be Janhvi's first Telugu film. Oh, I love it already. I love the beat. I love the beat. I love the beat. I love the melody. I love Shilpa's voice. What did I tell you about her voice being so sexy? Huh? I want to start this again. I want to run this back again because it sounds amazing. It sounds amazing. It sounds phenomenally good. I love the beat drops. I love the instrumental. Anirudh supremacy, guys. Anirudh supremacy. Oh, this guitar. Oh, lovely, lovely. I don't understand anything, but I love it. Oh. Oh my god, another song that gets added to my playlist, guys. The location is beautiful. Moscow Martins. her voice. She's sung the Hindi version as well. Oh, so melodious. Like I said, I don't know what it means, but it sounds great. This oh. The guitar, lovely. Was that Anirudh's voice, like the backing, those ad-libs? Huh? Where to even begin? Where to even begin? I don't know what to start with. The instrumental, the vocals, the melody, composition, sound engineering, everything is so good. Everything is so good. I know there's one more song from the film that I haven't checked it out, because then I realized that it's written second single. They were a second single. The first single, I have not listened to it. I have not reacted to it yet, but I will do that. I'll make a reaction separately for that, because I want to listen to it. But this song, let's talk about this song. Let's start with the vocals. Choosing Shilpa Rao was absolutely perfect. Like, for a song like this, it sounds also it gets you in the mood. It's very sensual. It's very romantic. Like, there's a different vibe. And I don't know what it means, but definitely, I mean, she's in love. Obviously, it's a love song. It's a romantic song. You can just see it from the visuals. And this vocal texture, this vocal tonality is one of my favorites for these kind of songs. I love when the singers have, when the composers choose singers who have a heavier baritone. Because I don't know, it just, for me, I feel that for me, it just gives that song a little bit of that sexiness and sultriness that it's required, specifically with people or singers who have that heavier baritone, like her, or someone like Bombay Jayashree, who has sung Zara Zara and Vaseegara. So basically like that, and even right now, I had reacted to this really, really viral Tamil song, Asapura. So the singer there, Sai Smriti, even her vocal range is like that. So I love this kind of baritone voice for these kind of songs. So choosing Shilpa was literally perfect. So I think that was the first right decision by Anirudh. Secondly, this music is sounding amazing. Like, the beat production is great. The instrumental, like the way it starts with that guitar and then it ends with the guitar, phenomenally done. Like, those instrumentals that have been added just work magic for the song. I loved it. The execution of the song, like the way it has come out overall, oh man, so beautiful the way it starts. And the song takes, like, in terms of the beat switches and all, it just has those perfect pauses which I loved. Like, where it has to, like, where the beat has to slow down a little bit, where you have to incorporate the instrumental, where that little bit of space and breathing space needs to be given. It's so beautiful. Oh man, I loved it. From the get-go, I loved it. I know for a fact that I'm going to loop this one in. Coming to the lyric video, color grading, the VFX and all of that looks amazing. The location that they've chosen for the song also is amazing. But it's the, more than, it's, the video is great to look at, but it is the song. Like, for a song like this, I do not need a video. If it was just the music only playing with just one poster or one thumbnail, it would have been enough. Like, that is how impactful and that is how strong the song is for me. Love Anirudh. Absolutely. I have been a huge fan of his music for a very long time now. And I mean, mostly with his music that I've listened to, it's not a lot of misses. It's mostly like, you know, it's hitting the right notes. It's hitting the right strings for me. There are very few songs of Anirudh's composition where I'm like, this is a miss for me. And I don't feel as great listening to it as I would have expected it, because I feel that Anirudh also himself has set a very high bar when it comes to music production. So people like you and me, we expect a lot, and we expect like really, really top tier standard, which he delivers most of the time. So I mean, I'm not going to hold it against him that if supposedly he releases a song which I probably do not resonate with, because music loving is also music listening and preference is very, very subjective. You know, a song like this, like I fell in love with the song with the first listen, doesn't mean that everybody's gonna have that same reaction, obviously, because sometimes for a lot of people this kind of music and this kind of song is not their vibe. But for coming back to what I was saying about Anirudh is that, you know, I'm not gonna hold it against him like, oh my god, I cannot believe this is an Anirudh composition, and like, oh, dude has lost his touch or whatever. No, it's not like that. I have loved him, produced the fast numbers, the slow numbers, the medium tempo numbers, and this is just perfect. This has that classic Anirudh touch with a beautiful melody, and everything is just great. I love this. I have no nitpicks about the song, to be very honest. It just sounded great. I enjoyed listening to it. You guys can let me know your thoughts, obviously. What did you like or did not like about the song? I loved it. And that was my reaction to Chuttamale. And I'm gonna listen to the Hindi version because obviously there were no subtitles here. And if you have listened to all the versions, please let me know which is your favorite one. Though I always prefer listening to the original one if I can. So that was my reaction. Those are my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and with that I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.